Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I'll share with you sorrel leaves chutney. For making this recipe, I took small bunch of sorrel. Wash the sorrel leaves under flowing water because it has some dust and impurities in rainy season. Separate the leaves from the stem and then put it into a cutting board. Roll the sorrel leaves into your hand and roughly chop the sorrel leaves. No need to chop it finely because it contains lot of water and it will cook easily. After cutting, keep aside. Now turn on the heat. Put sufficient water in a pot. Bring it to boil. Then add the sorrel leaves. Over medium to high heat, cook sorrel leaves for 2 to 3 minutes. Stir occasionally. Turn off the heat, cool it completely, then mix with a hand whisker. Otherwise, you can mash with a potato masher. Prepare the sorrel leaves puree. Now add 2 tablespoons curd, half a teaspoon salt and a teaspoon sugar. Mix it again. Turn on the heat, put a pan, add a big teaspoon ghee. After the ghee is hot, add quarter teaspoon cumin seed and a pinch hing. Saute and then add 3 to 4 sliced green chili. Over low heat, saute for few seconds until it color change. Shake the pan until it fragrant. Then add this prepared tadka over sorrel leaves puree. Our sorrel leaves chutney is ready for serving. Serve it with bhakri or roti. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe.